Pixel content in layers in Alight motion are typically arranged in a rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system with x and y axes. The polar coordinates effect transforms the layer pixels into a round or polar coordinate system where pixels are placed based on an angle and a distance from the center of the layer. The x-axis becomes the angle and the y-axis becomes the distance from the center. This makes pixel content in the layer wrap around a center point. Polar coordinates has three parameters: angle, crop, and stretch. Angle determines the angle where the left and right sides of the original layer meet. Crop crops the sides of the original layer before wrapping, which can be useful to remove a seam. The remaining pixel content. Normally, polar coordinates are circular, but you can turn on stretch to distort the circle to match the aspect ratio of the original layer.